Hi everyone and welcome to another session. If you have been enjoying this series, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Nicole Heart Clinical Research. Now, let's get into today's video. In my last video, I talked about the protocol and I also touched briefly on the schedule of assessments. But in clinical research, the protocol doesn't work alone. There are other documents that work hand in hand with the protocol. For example, you have the laboratory manual. Now, the lab manual basically breaks down all the laboratory related procedures already mentioned in the protocol. So, things like how blood should be drawn, when it should be drawn, the time window, how samples should be processed, stored, and shipped. All of that will usually be explained in the laboratory manual. Then you have the pharmacy manual, and that focuses more on the study medication, how it should be stored, prepared, dispensed, returned, and accounted for. There can also be other study-specific manuals depending on the type of study. So, as a CRA, one of your responsibilities is to train on all these documents properly before you start monitoring the study. Remember, your role is basically to monitor the site and make sure they are following everything correctly. Now, once you've been trained on the protocol and all the associated manuals, the next thing you will usually look at is a monitoring plan. Because if your role is to monitor the study, there has to be a plan. And I will break that down properly in my next video.